Hello guys, in this video we are gonna teach you how to pronounce this actual brand. So this brand is a fashion brand and a fashion designer brand. So we are gonna teach you how to pronounce it. It's more commonly known as ANF, but it's pretty simple. It's called Abercrombie and Fitch. So that's how you pronounce it. And once again, it's Abercrombie and Fitch. So you just have to say it in one word, Abercrombie and Fitch. And there you go. So this is a fashion designer website right here, or a fashion designer type of clothing brand. So from there, that is their brand. It's Abercrombie and Fitch, and that's how you pronounce it. It's really that simple, and this is their website if you want to go check it out. So this is international, and you can check it out in many different parts of the world. So you can also get it shipped into your doors if you want to. So that is Abercrombie and Fitch.